Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max class. Last class we discussed about different types of methods to integrate the following. So first method what we saw is decomposition into sum or difference. First method. Second method, substitution method, integration by using substitution method. Today we are going to see integration by parts. Third method is integration by parts. Okay, when you can use this integration by parts? When it is in multiplication. When two functions are in multiplication, then you can use this integration by parts. When two functions are in multiplication, have to differentiate, that is UDV method. Okay, sorry, UV method. UV dash plus VU dash. So integration la, if two functions are in multiplication, then you have to use integration by parts. So what is this integration by part is? Integral, this is your formula, integral u dv. U is one function, dv is another function. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integrated v du. This is your formula. So what is your integration by parts? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So out of the two functions, one you have to choose u, another you have to choose dv. Okay, one you have to denote as u, another you have to denote as dv. So how can you choose the out of the two functions? Choosing of u. So choosing of u, you can follow this one, I late. Okay, so I means inverse trigonometry function, L logarithmic function, A algebraic function, T trigonometry function, E exponential function. What is this I? Inverse trigonometry, L logarithmic, A algebraic, T trigonometry, E exponential. So you have to choose your U following this I. Take your exercise 11.7. First question. Integrate the following with respect to x. Your first question is 9x e power 3x dx. So integral 9x e power 3x dx. Now look at here. 9 is constant. So we don't worry about this 9. Now x is one function, e power 3x is one function. Two functions are in multiplication. So if two functions are in multiplication, have to integrate by using integration by parts. Okay, so how can you choose your u value? I late. So no inverse function, no logarithmic function, algebraic function is there, correct? Algebraic and exponential, these two functions are there. So u you can take it as x, the remaining you can take it as dv. Okay, so u is x, 9x. U is 9x, the remaining all you can take it as dv. Because see here, one function you have to take it as u, the other function you have to take it as dv. That's why x we are taking as u, the remaining all we are taking as dv. So what is your dv? E power 3x dx. So always you have to differentiate this u and integrate this dv. Okay, so differentiation of u is du. This one 9, integration of x, differentiation of x is dx. Similarly, if you integrate dv, you will get v. So integrate e power 3x, you will get 3 e power 3x by 3. Okay, now you can use your formula. What is your formula? U dv equal to uv minus integral v du. That is u value here, v value here. So 9x into e power 3x by 3 minus integral, this integral symbol, what is v? E power 3x by 3 into 9 dx. Okay, so this 9 and 3 will get cancelled, again this will get cancelled. So you will get 3x e power 3x minus 3 integral e power 3x dx. What is integral e power 3x value? This one as it is 3x e power 3x minus 3. Integration of e power is e power 3x. X coefficient will come in the denominator. So 3 cancel. So your final answer will be 3x e power 3x minus e power 3x plus, always you have to take constant now, so plus c. This is your final answer. Is that clear? So when we can use integration by parts? When it is in two functions are in multiplication. Okay, second problem we can see. Question: integral x sine 3x dx. Okay, solution. Okay, using your isolate. So first inverse is not there, logarithmic it's not there, algebraic is there. Algebraic is your x value, right? So you can take u value as x, the remaining all as dv. So dv equal to sine 3x dx. Okay, now integration of u is du, integration of x is dx. Differentiation, this one differentiation, this is integration. Integration of dv is v, which is equal to sine integrate panna minus cos 3x by 3. Now what is your formula? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So question which is equal to integral x sine 3x dx equal to, what is your u value? X. V value minus cos 3x by 3 minus integral, minus into minus will become plus cos 3x by 3 into dx, substituting in this formula. So answer is minus x cos 3x by 3. Integration of cos is sine. So sine 3x, that coefficient will come in the denominator. So 3 3s are 9 plus c is the final answer. Next problem. Fourth subdivision we can do. Integral x secant x tan x dx. Secant x tan x dx. Okay, so here what we can take, we have to choose u value and dv value. Okay, so how can you choose? By using isolate. Okay, now x is one function, secant x tan x is another function. Okay, now inverse not there, logarithmic is not there, algebraic is given. So u value is x, dv is secant x tan x dx. You have to differentiate this and you have to integrate this. U will differentiate panna du, x differentiation is dx. Integrate v equal to, and this one secant x tan x, if you integrate you will get answer as secant x. So what is your formula? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du, correct? Which is equal to, what is your u value? X. V value secant x minus integral v value secant x. Du is dx. So final answer will be x secant x minus integration of secant x is log secant x plus tan x plus c is the final answer. Next, second problem, fourth subdivision. Integral x cube sin x dx. This is the question. Integral x cube sin x dx. Okay. So here again you have to choose isolate by using isolate only. So definitely we have to choose algebraic function. So what is your u value? X cube. Dv value? Sin x dx. Okay, so in differentiation of du is 3 will come front, 3x square, and integration of dv is v, integration of sin x is minus cos x. Okay, and here we are using Bernoulli's theorem. Okay, so first I'll tell you, first I'll write, then I'll tell you what is Bernoulli's theorem. This du, you can take it as u dash equal, first differentiation now, so u dash equal to 3x square, u double dash equal to 3 2s are 6x, u triple dash equal to 6x integrate differentiate panna 6. Similarly, v equal to minus cos x, v1 equal to, again if you differentiate integrate this, you will get cos integrate panna sin x. Again sin integrate panna minus cos x, so minus minus will become plus. Again v3 cos x integrate panna, you will get sin x. And your Bernoulli's theorem, this one we are using Bernoulli's formula. So when we are using this Bernoulli's formulas, when the power is more than 1, we can use this Bernoulli's formula. Okay, and your formula is integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3. That is equal to, substituting all these values here, so you will get minus x cube cos x plus 3x square sin x plus 6x cos x plus c is your final answer. Next, so when we can use this Bernoulli's theorem, when the power is higher, then you can use this Bernoulli's theorem. Now take third problem, first subdivision. Integral x sin inverse x by square root of 1 minus x square dx. So what is this? Integral x sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay. So here, since it is sin inverse x and root of 1 minus x square, first you can use substitution method, then you can use this integration by parts. This is not in the correct form. It is not in the two function. Here we are having x sin inverse x and divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so we can't use integration by part directly. So first we are going to use substitution method, then we are going to use integration by parts. So for that, what we can take, let t equal to sin inverse x. So differentiate pannamna dt equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now so again come back to the question. Integral sin inverse x ke badala you can take it as t. Correct? T. And here we can take x equal to sin t. Okay, instead of x, what we are going to substitute? Sin t. Instead of sin inverse x, t. Instead of dx by root of 1 minus x square, dt. That's all. So integral sin t, t dt. So sin t is a function, t is a function. Two functions are in multiplication. So we can use integration by parts. So here we can take u equal to t, dv equal to sin t dt. Sin t dt. So this one, if you differentiate du equal to dt, this one v equal to integration of sin t is minus cos t. What is your formula? U dv equal to uv minus integral v du. That is substituting uv du value, you will get t minus cos t minus, here we have one minus, so this will become plus integral cos t dt. So you will get minus t cos t plus integration of cos t is sin t plus t. Okay, so here we can take this one minus t, and cos t you can write it 1 minus sin square t plus this sin t plus c. Okay, so we can write this as minus t के बदला sin inverse x square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, see, instead of this t we can substitute this one, instead of sin square t we can substitute this one, plus instead of sin t we can substitute x, plus c is your final answer. So we can do one more problem. Second subdivision, integral x power 5 e power x square dx. So here also we have x power 5 is one function, but here we are having e power x square. So you are using substitution method. So t we can take x square dt, in the differentiation of x square is 2x dx. Okay, so now integral this x power 5 e power x square dx can be taken as, in the x power 5 we can split as x square into x square into x e power x square dx. That is integral, instead of this we can substitute t into dt by 2 into e power t. Okay, so this one again we can write this as 1 by 2, we can take outside, e power t, t into t is t square dt. Okay, now look at your power is higher, so we can use Bernoulli's theorem. So first we can take u equal to t square dv equal to e power t dt. So here you can take u dash equal to 2t, u double dash equal to 2. Here we can take v equal to e power t, v1 equal to e power t. What is Bernoulli's theorem? Integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus etc. So what is your u value? T square e power t minus 2t e power t plus 2 e power t. So e power t if you take common you will get t square minus 2t plus 2 plus c is your final answer. So this is your integration by parts method. And your next exercise, integral is of the form, there's two types of form. One is integral e power ax sin bx dx, or integral e power ax cos bx dx. So in the format no need to do integral directly, we can give the answer like this. So what is the formula? E power ax sin bx dx, e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c is the final answer. So here no need to integrate directly, we can use this formula. So you have to go through this two formulas thoroughly. Take it in your classwork now. So next subdivision is heading is integral of the form these two things, and take down the formula. Now take your exercise 11.8. First question, integrate the following with respect to x. So first subdivision, integral e power ax cos bx dx. So here direct of formula only it is given. Okay, so we can give the direct answer. What is e power ax cos bx dx formula? E power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c is the final answer. So here this exercise directly we are going to use the formula. Now take the second problem. Integral e power 2x sin x dx. Okay, so here this is also e power ax sin bx formula. What is a value? 2. B value x coefficient 1. So what is your formula? Integral e power ax sin bx dx. Formula is e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. So your final answer will be e power 2x. A value is 2 by 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus c is the final answer. Now third problem. Integral e power minus x cos 2x. Okay, this is also in the same format, e power ax cos bx formula. What is a value? Minus 1. B value 2. So which formula we are going to use? Integral e power ax cos bx dx. What is your formula? E power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. That is e power a value minus 1 now. So minus x by 1 square 1, 2 square 4. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Divided by 5 into what is your a value? A value is minus 1. So minus cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x plus c. Plus c is the final answer. Now, next exercise is of the form integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So the question is like this, e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Then you can give the answer as e power x into f of x plus c. So that we can get into the exercise. Take exercise 11.9 first problem. And the question is integral e power x tan x plus log secant x dx. Now look at here, e power x. Now we can take any function as f of x as log secant x. So you will get, if you differentiate this function log secant x, you will get tan x. Okay. Now can we use this form e power x into f of x plus f dash of x? Yes, you can use. So integral e power x into tan x plus log secant x dx equal to, we can give the answer as, what is your answer? E power x into f of x plus c. So e power x f of x plus c is the final answer, correct? So e power x, what is your f of x value? What is f of x function? Log secant x plus c is your final answer. Okay. Now next problem. Second problem. Integral e power x x minus 1 by 2x square into dx. Okay, now see how can we use this form, or how can we use this form. So we can take, you can rewrite this question as 1 by 2 integral e power x. This is x by splitting the function, x by x square minus 1 by x square into dx. That is 1 by 2 integral e power x into x and square will get cancelled. So 1 by x minus 1 by x square into dx. Now we can take f of function as 1 by x, and if you differentiate this you will get f dash of x equal to minus 1 by x square. Now look at here, e power x into f of x minus plus f dash of x dx. Okay, so you can give the final answer as e power x into f of x plus c, that is 1 by 2 e power x. What is f of x value? 1 by x by x plus c is the final answer. Fourth question, integral e power x 2 plus sine 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. So first you have to simplify this form into that e power x into f of x plus f dash of x format. Okay, so we can write this question as e power x 2 as it is. Sine 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x by 1 plus cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x dx. 2 cos square x dx. So again we can write this as e power x 2 by 2 cos square x plus 2 splitting the function sin x cos x by 2 cos square x dx. 2 cancel, 2 cancel, cos and square will get cancelled. So you will get e power x into 1 by cos is secant square, sin by cos is tan x dx. So here we can take f of x function as tan x, and f dash of function we can take it as secant square x. Okay, so we got e power x into f of x plus f dash of x format. Okay, so what is the answer? E power x f of x plus c, right? So e power x, what is f of x? Tan x. Tan x plus c is the final answer. Next we are going to see integrals of the form integral dx by a square plus or minus x square, integral dx by x square minus a square, integral dx by square root of a square plus or minus x square, and integral dx by square root of x square minus a square. So if you have form like this, then we can use this formula to get the answer. Okay, directly you can get the answer as like your previous exercise. So first one, integral dx by a square minus x square. What is the answer? 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by mod a minus x plus c. Similarly, integral dx by x square minus a square. What is the formula? 1 by 2a log mod of x minus a by x minus a by x plus a plus c. Similarly, you have 6 formulas, and these 6 formulas are very important. Okay, so all these 6 forms you can give the direct answer like this. So you have to go through the formulas thoroughly. If you know this formula only, you can do the problem. Check your exercise 11.10, first problem, and the question is integrate the following. What is your first question? Integral 1 by 4 minus x square dx. So here we can use this formula. What formula? Integral 1 by a square minus x square format dx by. So what is this for answer? 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c is your answer. Okay ma. So here this you can write this question as integral 1 by 2 square minus x square dx. Now okay ma. So what is your a value? 2. So your final answer is 1 by 2 into 2 log 2 plus x by 2 minus x plus c is your final answer. So 2 2s are 4, you have to rewrite that. Okay. Now second problem, integral 1 by 6x minus 7 minus x square dx. Okay, now look at this problem. This is not in the format of a square plus or minus x square. So first you have to change the denominator by using completing the square format. Okay, so if you use the completing the square format only, then we can use the formula directly. Okay, what is given in the denominator? 6x minus 7 minus x square, that we can rewrite as minus x square plus 6x minus 7, correct? So change all the sign, x square minus 6x plus 7. Now you can use completing the square format. What is your completing the square format? Take the variable, take the sign, coefficient of x should be divided by 2. So 6 by 2 is 3. X minus 3 the whole square. Whatever number you are taking, that you have to subtract. So minus 3 3s are 9 plus this 7. So we can write this one, x minus 3 the whole square minus 2. So here we are taking that minus outside, no? So that minus will become here. So this will become minus into minus plus. So 2 minus x minus 3 the whole square. Now you can write this question as 1 by 2 minus x minus 3 the whole square. Okay, dx. Again you can write this as integral dx by always we want square here, but it is 2 given, so we can write this as root 2 the whole square minus x minus 3 the whole square. Now you can use formula integral dx by a square minus x square formula, correct? So what is a square minus x square formula? Same this one as like your previous problem. 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x plus c, that is 1 by 2 into a value is root 2. So 2 into root 2 log mod root 2 plus x by root 2 minus x plus c is your final answer. Third question, integral 1 by 2 square root of 2 plus x the whole square minus 1 dx. So here which formula we can use? Integral dx by square root of x square plus a square format. So is here it is given as minus, no? So x square minus a square formula. So what is the answer? Log x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. This formula we can use. Okay, so that is equal to integral 1 by 2 plus x the whole square minus 1 square root. which is equal to log x value is 2 plus x. So 2 plus x plus square root of 2 plus x the whole square minus 1 plus c is the final answer. Now second subdivision. Integral 1 by square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 dx. Now look at the denominator, it is not in the direct form. So first you have to use completing the square format. X square, take down the denominator, x square minus 4x plus 5. So how can we write this one? X minus 2 the whole square minus 4 plus 5, that is x minus 2 the whole square minus 4 plus 5 is 1. So we can write the question as integral dx by square root of x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. Which formula we can use now? Integral dx by square root of x square plus a square equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c, that is equal to log x minus 2 plus square root of x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus c is the final answer. So all the example problems, take it as a homework. Thank you, children.